6:30 in the morning and we are off to Haycon Suspension in Melbourne. Just going to get a wheel alignment done and the suspension setting set up. Alright guys, we're here at Haycon Suspension. Unfortunately, some bad news. We can't do a proper track wheel alignment today because the arms, they're a little bit installed incorrectly. It says they're too threaded out. He's going to take all the arms out and re-thread them back in so he can get the right adjustments. So I'm going to have to do a quick alignment today so I can drive to Sydney for Powertune to do their stuff, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so it is the night before our big road trip up to Powertune for them to install the fuel pump and lines and give the car a quick retune. But before I do that, I always like to check my engine oil, my fluids, my tire pressures, make sure nothing's leaking because we've got a pretty big drive. It's about 14 hours and it's at night too. So when I go on big road trips, I like to carry extras. So in the boot, I've got water, I've got my toolkit, and I also carry a bit of engine oil just in case I need to top up the engine oil. The last thing you want is to be stuck on the side of the road and there's no help for you, especially because I'm driving at night. So the last thing I want is to be stuck. So I'm going to go ahead now, check the engine oil, check all the fluids, make sure everything's okay, pack all my stuff in the car so I can just wake up and leave. Alright guys, so it is 7:30 at night time and we just started our road trip to Powertune Australia in Sydney for them to install my fuel pump, my fuel lines, give the car a retune. So it's about a 14-hour drive from where I live, so I'm just going to be driving straight. I plan on stopping around about 4 times just to fill up and rest, but we'll see how it goes. You know how Evos are, they drink a lot. It's going to be a bit hard without cruise control, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be rotating between my right and left leg on the accelerator pedal. I've done a pretty long drive like this before once and it almost killed me, so we'll see how this goes. I've got a good podcast list that I'm going to listen to. I've got a good music list, and after that I'm probably just going to listen to the exhaust for a little bit. So I'm going to drive at night. The good thing about driving at night is that there's nobody around and it's just me and the trucks. The bad thing is that there's kangaroos and there's wombats that could jump out and I could hit them doing 120 kilometers an hour. So we don't really want to be doing that to the Evo, and yeah, it's pretty dangerous. So I'm not going to be filming much because obviously it's just going to be me driving and it's going to be hella boring. So I might update you guys every now and then, so you guys know that, see how I'm going. Apart from that, yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, just a quick update. We are 3 hours out of Sydney, so we're almost there. We're on the home stretch. Car's doing pretty good. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Just smashed a couple of V's. Just had breakfast. So we're on the home stretch now. Not long to go. Alright guys, we finally made it to Powertune Australia. A pretty long drive. 13 hours I think it took us. So I'm going to go inside now, talk to the boys, hand them the keys, tell them what needs to be done, and then we'll see the car in 2 weeks. Alright guys, so we just dropped off Evo at Powertune, just waiting for my Uber now. I might go have lunch and then head straight to the airport. If you haven't been to Sydney before, the traffic's really bad, especially at M5 tunnel, and there's always traffic jams, so you kind of want to get to the airport early or else you're going to miss your flight. So I'm going to go find something to eat, wait for my Uber, and then I'll give you guys another update when I get to the airport. Guys, I'm just at the airport. We've just dropped the car off at Powertune to do their thing, so we should see it in about 2 weeks. So I'm off home now. That's it for this video. I'll see you at the next video.